Hi, I'm Sharon McNulty from Joyful Spaces, and I'm a professional organiser trained by Marie Kondo, the Japanese tidying expert. So I'm going to be sharing with you at the conference, at the Brain Development Conference, on Sunday, the 2nd of February, how our environment really is a reflection of our mind. So if our study environment is messy, is chaotic, is disorganised, then so is our thoughts, our mind. Our concentration is reduced, our focus is reduced, and ultimately our learning ability is reduced. So that's what I'm going to discuss, how our environment really affects us, but more importantly, what to do about it. So I am going to share actionable, practical steps for you to take away and create an organised space where your child is able to study effectively. One where your child really wants to be in, and one that will be conducive to learning. So join us on Sunday, the 2nd of February in DCU in Dublin, where we will share all the knowledge that will help you and your child reach their fullest potential.